What letter is this? Kevin. B. Very good, Kevin. This one. Hmm? Yawning. Oh my God. Okay. Others, children, come on, take your slate, all of you. I'm going to tell you the phonic sound. You are going to write the alphabet, children.
No.
Ready?
No.
Yes, I'm going to tell you the phonic sound alone. You are going to write the alphabet, okay? Answer my arm, answer my arm, answer my arm, they are causing me alarm. Means what you will write? Anna, enna எழுதுவீங்க? What you will write? Srinija, what letter you will write for A? A, very good, Srinija. Good. A. A, B எழுதுவீங்களா?
Apple. No, you have to say A.
A. Finish? Okay. Next is we are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. Very good. What alphabet you will write is C. Clicking castanets means C you have to write. Good. எழுதுங்க, come on, write. Very good, Ilango. Good morning, Yukta.
Good morning,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good. Good morning, ma'am. Tilakar, you have to write neatly, Tilakar. You already know how to write alphabet, right? See how we are writing. Very clumsy. Erase and write properly. Next is eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Means what you'll write? What letter? Huh?
நல்லா தெளிவா சொல்லு.
Eggsy, very good. Good ma, Adarsh. Chamat. Okay, others, come on, write Yukta. Take your slate and write Yukta. Eggs in the pan. Very good, Ilango. Parents, please check whether they are able to identify the sound and write the letter. Please don't teach them. Observe whether they are able to identify. Very good morning. Yeah, good morning. Yeah, very good. Next is bring your bat and bring your ball. Yes, you take your slate and write. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Means what letter you will write?
B, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Nimalan. B. Right, B. Yukta. From now you can continue, Yukta. You need not follow the one which we have finished earlier. Okay? Yeah. Riyasri. Ba means what letter you will write? Ba means what you will write? Okay, next is see me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Very good, Srinija. Good. Write the letter that belongs to this rhyme. The means what letter you will write. Very good, Tilakar. Very good. Nimalan, good Nimalan. Very good, Yukta. Good. Nimalan, good. Srinija, good. Kadambari. Are you writing Kadambari? Next is, yeah, good morning, Ma Nakshatra. Take your slate and write the letter. I'm going to tell you the phonic sound. You have to write the letter. Okay, children? Those have joined now. Okay? My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the air came out. Means what you'll write. சொன்னா என்ன எழுதுவீங்க எந்த லெட்டர் எழுதுவீங்க My friends and I went to the beach with my very good Mailango. F good. With my floating fish, it got a hold, the air came out. Finish? Good. Okay, now the next letter is I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. Ha, 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 ha. Ha means what letter you will write? Ha, ha. Means என்ன letter எழுதுவீங்க? What letter you will write? Ha means. Ha means what letter you will write? Anyone knows? Ha means what letter? Ha, very good, Adya Sharma. Ha, H, very good. Ha, very good. H, good. Nimalan, good. Nakshatra, what you wrote? Ha means what you'll write, Nakshatra? H, very good. Next is, ready? Water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain with a ga 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 ga. Ga 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 means what letter you will write? Very good, Masrinija. Very good. Ga 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 means you will write G. Very good. Ga 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 ga. Riyashri has written.
Coming.
Finish, ma'am.
Why till F only? Kana A, B, C, D, E, F எழுத சொல்லுமா. You should not write like that. Ma'am is telling you the phonic sound. According to that, you have to write. Okay? Come on,
Okay,
erase it and now from now on you write ga 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 means what letter you will write? Ga na என்ன letter எழுதுவீங்க? What letter you will write?
Gana என்ன letter எழுதுவா?
Very good, ma. Adya Sharma.
G.
G. Very good. Right.
G போடு.
Good girl. Right. Very good, Yukta.
Done.
Nimalan, good. Good. Okay, now the next letter is Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. E means what you write? Glue. Very good. Yeah, good morning, Ma Mokshita. Very good, Srinija. Good. E. Come on, identify and write. Yukta, E means what you'll write?
E.
Huh?
I.
I, good. Nimalan, E means what letter? What, ma?
I, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Okay, next letter. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. Ja means what you'll write. Very good, Riyashri. Continue to write ja, ja, ja.
J போடு.
Ja. Ja, 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 ja. Yeah, good. Ja means what you'll write. J. Very good. Ja, 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 ja. Nakshatra, ja, ja means what you'll write. Very good, Nimalan. Ja na என்னமா எழுதுவீங்க நட்சத்திரா? Show me your slate. What you have written. Slate காட்டுங்க.
Slate.
Show me your slate. You didn't write,
No, she
Ja,
didn't
ja,
write.
ja. Why? J எழுதுங்க. Ja, ja, ja means J. Come on, write J.
J எழுது.
எழுதுங்க கண்ணா. Come on. Nakshatra, good girl. Star கொடுப்பேன் ma'am. Come on, write. Star தரேன் ma'am. நீங்க எழுதுங்க. First you write. I have star. I'll show you. Wait. You don't believe me, Chacho. Why you people are not at all believing me? See here. I'll give you star. Come on, write. Ja, ja, ja. Next is lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. Very good, Ma Kadambari. Good. Means what letter you will write? That you have to write.
That's my mama. L.
Very good. Very good. L. Nakshatra, write L. Good. Next is now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. And the sound itself, you have the letter. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, you'll write Oh. Very good. Okay, very good, children. Many of you know the letters are very good. Well done. Very good.
போடுமா இங்க போடு இங்க போடு
Good. Ilango has written. Oh, 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 oh.
இங்க போடு
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Good boy, Ilango.
Finish,
Very good, ma.
ma'am.
Yes. Kites are flying in the sky, ka ka ka. Kites are flying in the sky, ka ka ka. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, ka ka ka. Very good. Very good, Kadambari. Very good, Srinija. Very good, Riyasri. Very good, Tilakar. Ka 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 means ka ka. This action means you'll write K. Both C and K are the same sound. Children, don't confuse. Okay? C na this action will come. In the action varum seek. Clicking castanets. Okay? But kites are flying in the sky. Kites fly பண்ற மாதிரி action இருந்தா that is K. Okay? Don't confuse yourself.
Kites are flying.
Kites are flying in the sky. Ka ka ka. Finish? Very good. Good morning, Masara. Okay, next letter. Ready? Snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. What you will write for? Very good. Well done. Well done, Kadambari. Snake is in the grass. Kadambari, show me your slide 1 minute. Kadambari. Little bit closer. L, O, in between some letter you didn't write. Why K is in that way, Kadambari? K is flying. Okay, fine. Good children. What you will write for? What you will write, Yukta? Snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Yukta, what you will write for? Very good. Yes, very good. Well done. Now, mom and the dad make many meals. Mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Means what you'll write? Very good.
என்ன லெட்டர் வரும்டா?
Very good, Kadavari. Very good, Riyasi.
Okay.
Very good, Tilakar. Nakshatra. So it means what you'll write, Nakshatra? Not like that. Are you Nakshatra, Nimalan? Are you Nakshatra? I asked Nakshatra. Are you writing, Nakshatra? If you are not writing, how will you learn? How will you learn if you are not writing? You told you want star, right? Star venum sonningala, Nakshatra. If you write only, I'll give you. Otherwise, no star. Star kadayadu. Eludhulana star kadayadu. Next is puff for the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff for the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff means what letter you'll write? Puff means what letter you'll write? Very good. Puff, puff, puff means you'll write P. Puff. Adya is playing. Why don't you write? Puff, 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 P. If you are not writing, then daddy will not buy you any toys. If you are writing only, daddy will buy you more toys. Come on, good girl, na? Right? Pa, pa, pa means P. Good girl, Adya. Right,
Ma'am,
P.
please ask Nimalan to write, ma'am. He's playing.
Nimalan. Why Nimalan? Nimalan, no star, Nimalan, today. You don't want star? எழுதுங்க, come on, write. Good boy, la Nimalan. Come on, write.
He wrote,
That's
ma'am.
it.
He's playing, ma'am. He's still
After
playing,
finishing
ma'am.
only, he is playing, no? Okay, very good, children. All of you have done very well. Very good. Is there any difficulty while identifying the phonic sound? Is there any difficulty? Any letters? Yes, very good. Well done. Clap hands for yourself. Clap hands for yourself. Very good. Well done. Today from A to P we have finished. No, tomorrow after P, Q. From Q to Z we'll finish. Okay, now stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Stand up, join your hands, close your eyes.
Sala, follow the instructions, bring it time. The instructions follow.
Yukta, you can say Kidzi Antam, Yukta. Yukta. Kidzi Antam. Others mute yourself. Except Yukta, others mute yourself. Come on, my Yukta, start. You are within me.
I produce inside. With all my might, I shall attack you. I produce inside.
Yes, very good. Very good, Yukta. Well done. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Unmute yourself and say good morning. Why all of you are very lazy today? Morning. Good. Yes, don't sit down. Stand up. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Ready for the warm-up activity? Stand up, all of you. Don't sit down. Very good, all of you. Go drink one glass of water and come back, children. Yes. Adya. Adya.
बोलो here I am.
Okay, okay. Drink. Take your time.
Oh,
Finish, slowly.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात.
Adya.
I will call her, ma'am.
Yeah. Adya, okay. I'll call you later. Okay. Next. Very good, Ilango. Next. Very good, Nakshatra. Next. Nitish. Nitish, loudly, Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Next. Kevin.
आद्या क्या कर रही है? स्कूल चल रहा है, तेरे को पता नहीं है?
Kevin.
कुर्सी पे बैठ जाओ, अपने आप बैठ जाओ.
Kevin.
Here I am, ma'am.
Here I am.
Very good, Kevin. Next.
Here I am, Mama.
Very good, Riyasri. Next. Sara. Here I am. Pranavi. Over. Next.
Here I am,
Next.
Mama.
Very good, Srinija. Next. Tilakar. Okay, marking you, Tilakar. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Yukta. Next. Yukta, did you say here I am, Yukta?
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Kadav. Others, please mute yourself, children. I can't hear properly. Next. Shravanya is absent today. Next, Mokshita. Srinija, mute yourself. Very good, Momoshita. Nimalan.
Hey, Vanilla ma'am.
Next, Adarsh.
Again,
Very good, Adarsh. Adya, ready? Ya? Adya. Yeah, very good, Adya. Thank you, Adya. Children, ma'am, now I'm going to show you an action. You are going to repeat it, okay?
Mouse is the princess man.
Okay, ma.
Mouse is the princess man.
Present, okay, ma. Hey, the frog is not jumping. Sorry, children, it's not playing. Children, you can see the frog, right? How the frogs will jump. Come on, jump like the frog. Jump like the frog. Sit in the floor first in the position and then jump like the frogs. Come on, let me see everyone doing it.
Jumpy.
Yeah, hop like a frog.
One more time.
Very good. Riyasri, good. Nimalan, very good. Very good, Yukta. Very good, Nakshatra, good, good. Nitish didn't do
Okay.
Very good, Kadambari, good. Yes, very good, children, all of you. Well done. Now stand up, all of you. Rote counting. Stand up, all of you. Yes, Mokshita's mom.
Ma'am, what I want to do, ma'am, now? What Mokshita want to do?
Nothing. Just she has to stand up. We are going to do rote counting. Nothing.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Ready, children? Jump, all of you, okay? Ma'am is going to count. You are going to jump. Adya, come on, jump. Don't be seated. Come on, get up. Be active, Adya. Come on, get up. 1, 2. Start jumping, children. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes, now months of the year. Okay, for that also you should jump, children. Come on, don't sit down, stand up. Months of the year. 12 months in a year, right? So 12 times you are going to jump. January. Come on, jump. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Very good. Now sit down, all of you. Sit, 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 sit. Sit down. Okay. Yesterday we learned soluble and insoluble and then some community helpers. Yes or no? Do you all remember? Okay. What is soluble and what is insoluble? Anyone can say sugar. Sugar is soluble or insoluble?
சத்தமா சொல்லு மேம்.
Salt insoluble.
Salt is soluble. Salt is soluble. Okay. And then channa. Channa, stone, cashew nut, badam. All these things are insoluble. Okay. And then next coming to our community helpers.
Stop
Yes?
it.
Community helpers, do you remember? We already learned community helpers, right? So let's see one more time. Community helpers. Can you all see my screen? Is it
Yes,
visible?
ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Community helpers. So first community helper is, who's this? Everyone can answer, children.
Doctor and nurse, ma'am.
Doctor and nurse. Very good. Next. Very good. Firefighter. 1 minute, 1 minute. Next.
Gardening.
What? Gardening? No. Carpenter. Carpenter. Okay. Next. Next.
Painter.
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 Next one. Barber. Hair cutter. Who that hair cutter? No hair cutter. It is barber. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Plumber. Very good. Plumber. Plumber. Very good. Policeman. No one should teach them traffic police சொல்லு policeman சொல்லு அப்படின்னு யாரும் சொல்லி கொடுக்க கூடாது. Let them identify on their own and answer. Then there is no use of conducting the activity. Please parents, I request you, don't teach them. Don't tell them the traffic police சொல்லு, the policeman சொல்லு. Please let them identify. I am giving them time to identify. Please. Next. Who's this? Very good. Shopkeeper. Very good. Shopkeeper. Next. Yeah, cleaner or sweeper. Both you can say. Cleaner or sweeper. Very good. Okay. Next.
Shoes fixer, ma'am.
No shoes fixer. Cobbler.
Cobbler.
Next.
Mailman.
Poster. What is poster? Postman. Yeah, good. Postman. Next. Who's this? This I did teach you yesterday. Who's this? Teacher. Who is the teacher? Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher, children? Who is your teacher? What is the name of your teacher? Yes, all of you. What is the name of your teacher? Okay, very good. So these are the community helpers. Okay, all of you mute yourself, children. Come on, mute yourself, everyone. So this is teacher. Yes, mute yourself, I said. Mute. Everyone, mute yourself. Silence. Okay, this is teacher. And now we have seen all the community helpers. Now you all know where these community helpers will work. Enga vela seivanga in the community helpers, that we are going to see. So that is called as places around me. Okay, places around me. What are all the places you have around you? You have lot of houses, shops, hospital, mall. Yes, you have no park, beach, zoo. Everything are the places around us. Okay, children. So one by one we are going to see the places around us. Okay. First is school. All of you look at the screen, Sarah. Yes, mute yourself. No need to answer. I'll give you the chance to answer. School. So who works in a school? Teacher. Teacher works in a school. Next is hospital. This is
Officer.
Yes, Mokshita, you can mute yourself, ma. I'll call you at that time. You can answer. Hospital. Hospital, who will work? Doctors, nurse will work in a hospital. Okay. And then this is police station. Police station, who will work? Yeah, policeman will work in a police station. And then this is fire station. Who will work in a fire station? Firefighters. Yeah, firefighters will work in a fire station. This is bus stop. You all know what is a bus stop? Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Bus stop. What is a bus stop? Anyone knows bus stop na ennadu? Anyone knows what is bus stop? If you want to go from one place to another. If you want, suppose you are in your, okay, mute yourself children, I'll tell you. If you are with your mother in your home and you want to go and visit your grandma and grandpa. They are not with you, they are in different place. So how will you go? If you have a car, you will drive and go. Those who don't have car, யார்கிட்டயாவது car இல்ல, bike இல்லனா what they'll do? They'll go and wait in the bus stop. அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? Bus stopல போய் wait பண்ணுவாங்க. Okay, and then they'll catch the bus and then go to the place where they want to go. So a bus only will stop in the bus stop. Car, bike, cycle na bus stop la நிக்காது. Only the bus will stand in the bus stop. So that only it is called as bus stop. Okay, bus stop. Next is train station, railway station or train station, whatever it is. Okay, railway station means for a short distance kitta engayavudhu ponona you can use bus stop. But if it is very distance place means how will you go, like Bangalore and all, how will you go? You can't go by a bus, right? So you will catch a train. And then where will you go to catch a train? You will go to a railway station. And then you will buy the tickets and you go by the train. Yeah, railway station. This is railway station or train station. Police station. Next is airport. Please mute yourself, children. Airport. Airport. What can you see in the airport? Can you see the train in airport? Airport la train irukuma, bus irukuma, what will be there? Flight. Very good. Aeroplane will be there in the airport. Okay, and that is the air transport. You can go either by bus or train, and you can also travel by aeroplane. For that, if you want to catch the aeroplane, where you have to go? You have to go to the airport. Plane புடிக்கணும்னா எங்க போணும்? ஏர்போர்ட்டுக்கு தான் போணும். Okay, next is museum. Here all the antiques, ancient things will be there. Supermarket. You all will go with your mom and dad, no? Supermarket, you will buy all the things there, right? This is supermarket. Post office. As I already told you, a postman works in a post office. See here, they will collect all the letters from the post box and they will bring it here only. இங்க தான் எடுத்துட்டு வருவாங்க. Post boxல இருக்க letter எல்லாத்தையும் collect பண்ணி they will bring it to the post office, and then here only they will segregate all the letters and deliver to the respective places. This is a restaurant. Weekends and all, if you don't want to eat at home, where will you go? If you want to celebrate, you will go to a restaurant and eat there. Okay, this is restaurant. And what is this? You all like it very much. What is this? What is it? Zoo. Very good. Okay, very good. What will be there in the zoo? All the animals will be there. Okay, all the animals will be there in one cage. Okay, so this is a zoo. And this is bank. Bank, your father and mother will handle. Here you will save the money. Okay, so this is a bank. And this is park. Evening time and all, we'll go and ride cycle or we'll play in the park, right? You all like to play in the park? Yes or no? Park la விளையாட பிடிக்குமா எல்லாருக்கும்? Yes or no? Yes, I love to play in the park too. Very good. And next, good job. Okay, from the beginning we'll see park, bank, zoo, restaurant, post office, supermarket, museum, airport, railway station or train station, bus stop, fire station, police station, hospital, school. Okay, so these are the places around us. Okay, these places are around us. Wherever we want to go, we go. In time of need, we want to go to a hospital when you are sick, you'll go, and you children will go to school as soon as the school starts, right? And then if you want to go to a zoo in the weekend, you will go. And then in the weekend, if you want to go to a restaurant, you will go. So all these places are around us itself. So only they are called as places around us. Okay. Now shall we continue with our worksheet? Come on, take your worksheet. Worksheet book. D18 empty. Today's worksheet is D18 empty. And today's date is 2/9/29 dash 7 dash 21/21. And the number is 19. 19. Group of 10. Group of 10. Circle the group of 10. And then 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. Many of you will write 9 in this way. We'll draw a standing line and a curve in the back. Please don't write like that, children. This is wrong. Okay, like small letter A. You all know how to write small letter A, right? Like that itself you have to start. A curve, go up and come down. First with the curve only you should start. A curve, go up, come down. 9. Like this only you have to write. Don't draw a standing line and draw a curve. That is wrong, children. How will you write A? Small letter A எப்படி எழுதுவோமோ அதே மாதிரியே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். A curve, go up, come down. A curve, go up, come down. 9, like that. Okay? Start writing. One, 9, 19. One, 9, 19. Spell and write, children. 1, 9, 19.
Ma'am.
Finish,
Tell-
Ayukta.
No, ma'am. Can you tell her how to write 9? I'm telling
Yeah,
you the
one
correct.
more time. See
It's
here,
not-
Yukta. Yeah, 1 minute. I'll erase it and I'll show you. Yukta, look at the screen, Yukta. You will write small letter A. No, you have a blank space in the worksheet in this side. Okay, left side. You have a blank sheet, right? In that sheet, first you practice. And that's the practice பண்ணுங்க. See, first a curve. See here, like A, small letter A will write, no? Small letter A, you will write like this. This is small letter A. அதே மாதிரியே, see here. Small letter A மாதிரி எழுதி கீழே ஒரு standing line. That's it. Like that you have to write. Come on. A curve, go up, come down. Easy only, children. Have A in your mind, small letter A in your mind, and then you start in that way. How you will start small letter A? Like this only we'll start, no? Okay, Yukta?
Okay, ma'am.
Try it in the blank sheet and then you try it, Kanna, in the notebook, in the book.
Usually writes, ma'am, but suddenly she told I will write only C and put a straight line.
No. Same only. If you write C also continuously, you go up and come down. That's it. Correct only what you said. Without taking your hand, you have to write. That's all. C மாதிரி தான் like C only we are writing. C here curve மாதிரி தான் போடுறோம். Then you are going to go up, come down. That's it. Very good, Kadabri. Sarah, what number you are writing?
Yeah, Sarah, ma'am is calling you. Ma'am on the phone.
What number you are writing?
19.
19. 19. Spell and write, Sarah. Okay?
Say okay.
இது நானா
9 டா மேம்
இது.
மேம் வந்து டீச் பண்ணாங்க 9 எப்படி எழுதுறது.
இது
That is A. A க்கு ஒரு big standing line கொடுத்தா 9 will come. Magic. So do that.
Ilango, what number you are writing?
என்ன நம்பர் ரைட் பண்ற? என்ன நம்பர் பாது?
199.
லவுடா சொல்லு.
Very good, Ilango.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, ma Nimalan. How Nimalan is writing 9 correctly, yeah?
Yes ma'am,
Okay,
he is
very
writing
good.
correctly only ma'am.
Okay, very good, Nimalan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Kana. One 9 19. Spell and write, children. 19 19.
1919, ma'am.
Finished, Srinija. Good.
Finish, ma'am.
Riyasri finished. Very good, Riyasri.
Finish.
Yeah, very good, ma. 1 minute.
Mousita, finish, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita.
Come now. Come now, mama.
Finish, Nitish. Very good, ma Nitish. Yeah, very good, ma. Those are finished. Take the next worksheet. JR culmination 1 LT. Those are finished. Take this sheet, write the date, and be ready.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, ma. Very good, Tilakar. Take this page. JR culmination 1 LT. Like this, you will have some pictures.
Which page is this?
I finished.
JR culmination 1 LT.
Okay.
Everyone finished a 19 worksheet? They finished 19.
Yes.
Huh?
Mama.
Adya, magic.
Mama, what is
Okay, here.
here?
Ma'am, please show before page or after page, ma'am.
You want me to show 1 minute?
Not able to find.
You will have that number 20 page and all, no? After that, you have to see. See here. Like this, you will have a page. The activities you do at school. You will have a page like this. Then after this page, you will have. Here it will be written as culmination. Here in the end of culmination, we are going to complete culmination 1. So these are the culmination worksheets. Culmination sheet. Day போட்டிருக்காது அதுல வெறும் culmination னு போட்டிருக்கு.
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Got it? Okay.
Yes,
Children,
ma'am, got
A
it.
for
Thank you,
yeah,
ma'am.
fine. A for apple, B banana, C cat, D donkey, E egg, F fish. Okay, now we are going to copy the capital A and small a in this 4 line. Come on, copy it. Capital A and small a. Next is capital B. Small b. Like that, you have to write till F, children. Tilakar. Where are you? Where is your book? Where are you going, Tilakar?
Nani is
Huh?
playing, ma'am.
Yes, Tilakar. Why are you doing like this, Tilakar? Next time I will never call you, Tilakar, if you do like this. And keep
Ma'am?
on watching you. You are not in the line itself. Always empty.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, Mokshita's mom.
Which book and which page, ma'am?
Book 1 only. Culmination sheet ன்னு இருக்கும் பாருங்க. இந்த மாதிரி sheet இருக்கும். இங்க culmination ன்னு எழுதி இருக்கும் கீழே. After that 19, 20 and then numbers will all go. அந்த butterfly sheet க்கு அப்புறம் பாருங்க. You have done one butterfly sheet, no? After that butterfly sheet, if you check, it will be there. Yes, Ma Tilakar. Sorry, only 1 hour session dana Tilakar. Have to be careful. You have to be attentive. Then how will you learn? Come on, write. Right. You know which worksheet you have to write? Done, Nitish. Very good, ma. Welcome. Are you all prepared for the talk time, children, tomorrow, family? Yes or no? Parents ready, Only 3 sentences or 2 sentences also is enough. Talk time, parents. No one is answering. Not at all ready,
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Ready, Riyasri is ready. Like whom you are going to act, Riyasri? Like whom you are going to act? யார மாதிரி பண்ண போறீங்க?
Daddy man.
Daddy, very good. Yupta, whom are you going to play? Daddy, what? Everyone daddy, Ilango? Ilango like daddy dana. So, why no mummy here? Anyone is going to act like mummy? Adesha.
Father,
Adya,
mother.
I know Adya will do like mom only.
You want to say? No.
Srinija, whom are you going to play?
My
Daddy
sister.
or mummy or grandfather, grandmother?
My sister.
Your sister, Okay. Nimalan,
Ma'am.
Nimalan யார் மாதிரி பண்ண போறாங்க?
Grandpa, ma'am.
Grandpa, very good. Kadambari, Daddy, why always all of you daddy? Fond of daddy, everyone. See all the mamas, look at your children, what they are saying. You are sitting with them, you are guiding them, but see what they are saying.
Yukta actually wanted
Very bad.
to as mom. but I didn't have
Ah.
accessories, ma'am. I left it in Chennai, so I didn't
Oh.
dress her up.
Okay. Okay, I can understand.
She likes to dress up in sari, half sari, and all, ma'am. Now itself, she
Fine.
reserved all my saris.
Oh, but no costume, ah.
Yeah.
So, what to do, Yukta? Another day we'll plan. Okay, Yukta?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Sarah's mother, ma'am.
Yes, Ara's mom.
Ma'am, she has confusion writing D and B, ma'am. Small letter B
D.
and yeah.
That is the front standing line and front side curve is B and back side curve pinadi potomna that is D. Repeatedly when you guide her in that way only she will get that, she will be okay with that confusion. It happens with children. Many of them have seen, no problem in that. But whenever she is writing B or D, you keep on telling her. B
Okay.
na front la podnu curve, D na back la podnu. Why?
Fine.
Because the capital D, it has the curve on the front side. For that only they'll get confused while writing D. It happens.
It's not funny. I don't think it's funny.
No problem, Dagana. You can change it. No issues. Sarah, what you are going to act, Sarah? I didn't ask you.
Naliki talk.
Whom you are going to play? Daddy, mummy, grandpa, grandma?
Mommy.
Mummy. Oh. Good. I am eagerly waiting for that. And regarding the friendship band also, tomorrow we are going to celebrate Friendship Day. You can either buy a band or else anything creatively if you can do, you can do. You can watch the YouTube and do it if you are able to do. Or else you can buy a simple band from the shop. Yes, ma. Very good, Tilakar.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, E alone
Yes.
he didn't put correctly, ma'am. Others all he finished, ma'am.
Why E? Why Manimalan? Sleeping line and a curve like C. It's easy only E. Finished Adya, smiling ah. Very good, Kadambari. Yukta, very good. Very good, Yukta. Very good, Kadambari. Finished everyone? Very good. Yeah, Nimalan's mom. Erase and give it to him. Let him write one more time. Nakshatra finish. Ilango finish. Finish. Kevin finish. Very good. Most of them finish. Very good, Ilango. Thumbs up. Good. Okay, everyone. All the best for your talk time tomorrow. Okay, you are all going to rock. I know about that. Okay, I'm eagerly waiting for tomorrow's session. Thanks for your cooperation. You all have done very well. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye, everyone. Yeah, bye. Bye, Ma.